Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.20. Watching 10 Google ads, you can earn over $12. And regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $2, $6, and even over $10 per minute watching Google ads. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come to this brand new website, where you can watch Google website ads and earn money watching them. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. But as you can see, this site has already paid over $7 million to its users. They have over 4.8 star ratings on Google from over 5,000 real users around the world. So you can trust this website. This Google Ads website is available worldwide, so you can be from any part of the world and still earn money with it. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, the name of this website is the Swashapp.io. You can search for the Swashapp on Google, or you can just come to the URL swashapp.io and you will be taken to its homepage. Today, I will be sharing a bonus trick with you that's going to help you 10x your earnings on Swashapp, so stay tuned until the end. As you can see, they already have over 300,000 people earning money on Swashapp, and it's also completely free to use it, so you don't have to spend any money, and you can get paid to watch those Google ads for free. All you have to do is to watch the Google website ads, and you will get paid for watching each Google ads. You will earn points for watching Google ads that you can later redeem in the form of gift cards, cash, or in crypto. You can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $1.20 per Google ad you watch, depending on your country. As you can see, Swashapp is available in more than 200 countries around the world, so you can make money from any part of the world. Not only that, they let you withdraw your earnings in many different payment methods right here, like the PayPal, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and in different cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if none of these payment methods are available in your country, you can directly get paid into your bank account using the Visa debit card. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still get paid here. Now, the step number 2, to start earning money for watching Google ads with Swashapp. All you have to do is to click on this Get Swash button right here. That's going to take you to the Google Chrome web store, where you can see that they have over 5,000 positive reviews. And you just need to click on Add to Chrome to add the Swashapp extension. Now, click on the Add extension, and the Swashapp extension will be added to your browser. After that, you will be taken to this page where it says, "Are you new to Swash?" Select Yes. I am new here and I want to create a new wallet. That's then going to take you to this privacy policy page. You can read their terms of service and privacy policy there. Once you do that, just check this box and press the next button from there. On the next page, it says, "Keep your private key in a safe place." So just remember that. Check on this box also and move forward by pressing the next button. Now you need to select your gender, your age, and your household income on this page and press next again. After that, you need to sign up using your email. Make sure it's your real email because they will send you a verification code on it. So enter your email in this box, check "I am not a robot," and hit submit button. Now just copy paste the reification code sent to your email and click verify to verify it. And you can see, congratulations, your Swash wallet has been created. Now just scroll down a little bit and click where it says turn Swash on, and it will take you to your Swash profile. This is how it will look like, but right now it says only members who verify can withdraw their earnings. So just verify your phone number and complete your profile to be able to withdraw your earnings. You can also turn off this icon if you want the light mode. Now before we move further, do you find it hard to make professional or high converting ads yourself? Do you feel like creating high converting professional ads consumes all your days, weeks, or sometimes even months? If yes, then today I have a great solution for you. Just stay tuned until the end to get the full benefit from it. Creating professional and high converting ads requires a combination of design skills, marketing knowledge, and creative flair, which can be challenging and time consuming for individuals and small businesses. Additionally, hiring a graphic designer for advertising assets can be expensive and time consuming. Also, if you are the sole owner, searching for all the necessary elements while ensuring proper licensing can be time consuming, expensive, and stressful too. But worry not, because today I am going to show you how you can use Kittle as the best solution to your problem. Kittle is the best free AI tool that provides a variety of ad-specific templates, ensuring your ads look polished and professional. Their easy-to-use platform provides you with advanced editing features like layer management, color adjustment, and typography tools, giving you complete control over every aspect of your ad design. I will leave a link to Kittle in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to register yourself on Kittle for completely free. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. And on the dashboard, you can find a ton of ad templates that you can edit according to your preference and create a high-converting professional ads for your products and services with just few clicks. Like for a t-shirt ad, you can use this template, edit it according to your preference, use it on a t-shirt mock-up, and just download it to use it as your t-shirt t-shirt ad. It's that easy. So what would normally take you hours to do on your own, Kittle has already set up templates for you to quickly edit and post. So all you have to do is to either search for the type of ad you want to create. For example, you can search for the coffee in this search box if you want to create coffee ads. You can search for t-shirts, shoes, watch, mugs, tumblers, water bottles, summer discount sales, Black Friday discount sale templates, Christmas discount sale templates, or any other product or service related templates by just searching in this box. Or you can just select the template you like from the homepage of Kittle and start editing it. You can also select any of the ads template available here, and you can also select the ads template itself from here. That's going to show you different social media and website ad templates. Even you can choose a particular social media ad template from here, like the Instagram ads, Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, etc. And if you don't like any of the templates available here, you can just click on the new project button right here, and you can start to create your design from scratch using the Kittle elements. So for example, this is the sample t-shirt design that we will use to show you how you can create a stunning professional ad within just a few minutes using Kittle. And let's say we want to create Instagram ads for our t-shirts. What I am going to do is I will just select any of the t-shirt or hoodie sales templates from here. We can also search for the Kittle official page and select the ad templates from there. Let's say we go with this Instagram ads template. That's going to take you to this page, where first of all we need to delete this first page because we don't need it for our ad creative. If you want, you can change the name of each template from here by just double clicking on its name. After that, I want you to first upload your t-shirt mockups to Kittle from this upload section on the left. Once you do that, I want you to delete this hoodie from all the templates here. Then I want you to readjust the template on your screen like this and choose your first t-shirt mockup from the uploads. As you can see, our t-shirt mockup has the background, but don't worry, we can just remove the background from our mockup by pressing the AI background remover from the right. After that, I can just adjust my t-shirt mockup to this ad template so that it looks good. I can also add the shadow to our t-shirt by scrolling a little bit on the right settings bar and selecting the plus icon next to shadow. Then I can change the settings for the shadow to our t-shirt mockup. We can also make this 50% tag to appear in the front by right-clicking on it and selecting the to front option from there. We can also change any of the texts here. You can select the color palettes from the bottom right corner, and you can select any of the color combinations that suits best for your ad creatives. Just like this, you can change, add or remove anything from your ad creative. And Kittle has a ton of free template designs, fonts, ton of free elements, images, and AI features like the AI background remover, AI image upscale, etc. that you can use to create professional and high converting ads in just a few minutes. So once again, I will leave a link to Kittle in the description of this video and the pinned comment. You can use that link to try Kittle for free. Now coming back to our main video, to actually start earning money for watching Google website ads, all you have to do is to click on the Earn More option from the left. And on this page, you need to click on the Earn from Ads option from here, Get Paid for seeing ads on your browser. That's going to take you to this page where you need to turn on all these three options right here. As you can see, I already have these three options enabled to earn money online. If I click on my Swashapp extension from there, you can see that I have already earned over $33 today while just creating this video for you guys. And out of it, I can withdraw $28 to my bank account right now. So if you want me to create a live withdrawal proof video of my earning from here on Swashapp, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video. And comment down below Swashapp withdrawal proof, and I will cover the withdrawal proof in one of my upcoming videos on Cash Pro. Now in your case, when you first install the extension, these options won't be enabled on your profile. So make sure you enable all these three options so that you can start seeing the Google website ads and earn money online with Swashapp for watching those Google ads. Once you enable these options, now whenever you surf the web, whenever you are on a website, watching YouTube, reading blogs, or doing anything on your browser, you will be shown a banner ads like this. This ad is from Swashapp extension that is showing on your Google search engine website. And the good thing is that you don't even have to click on these Google ads to make money. You will be paid for each ad that will show on your web browser. But you can click on ads if you like them or if you want to, but that's completely on you. That won't affect your earnings. Now the step number 3, to earn 10 times more money than others. What you can do is you can click on the Earn More option again, and you can see that we have other options to make money other than watching Google ads. So here you can earn money from different offers to complete surveys, installing apps and games, and completing different other tasks to make money online. You can also earn from the referrals by inviting your friends and family to the Swashapp by sharing your referral link from there. And the good news is they also have another option coming soon where you can make money on their mobile application, so you can take advantage of all these 3 different options to earn 10 times more money than others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.